In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent ink smuggle on the paper during the printing. So this will work for most of the Canon ink tank printers. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and go to your Windows laptop. Open the Canon print app. You will see your printer. Click on the printer icon on the top and then go to the device information. Select printer properties. There will be another page behind and select the first option, maintenance and preference. Again it will open a window. In this window look for the bottom plate cleaning that prevents ink smuggles on the paper during the printing. So click on it and click on the start button. Make sure you load the paper in the paper tray. So this will clean it and it will help in that. Thanks for watching.